Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Ford halts F-150 Lightning production for 7 weeks, while Apple's Q4 results trigger a stock dip. VICI Properties surpasses expectations with strong FFO and revenue figures, and Amazon sees a rally as its operating income shines in FQ3. Waymo secures a staggering $45 billion valuation in its latest funding round, as NVIDIA maintains its AI dominance alongside Supermicro's tumultuous journey following EY's resignation. Intel's Q3 results boost its stock, and Carvana shares soar amidst questions of valuation justification. Stay tuned after the short ad break to dive deeper into these headlines. Ford will stop producing the F-150 Lightning from November 15th until January 6, 2025, because of lower-than-expected demand for electric vehicles. Even though sales went up in the third quarter, Ford's electric vehicle division is facing financial difficulties. Shares have fallen due to these issues and strong market competition.
Apple shares fell by 2% despite reporting better-than-expected fourth-quarter earnings. Revenue increased by 6.1% to $94.93 billion, with iPhone sales reaching $46.22 billion and services at $24.97 billion, slightly below forecasts. Gross margins stood at 46.2%. Analysts had mixed reactions, pointing to competition in China and high trading multiples as concerns.
VICI Properties reported third-quarter funds from operations of 70 cents per share, exceeding expectations by 3 cents. Revenue increased 6.7% year-over-year to $964.67 million, surpassing forecasts by $10.21 million. The company announced a quarterly dividend of 43.25 cents per share and updated its annual guidance for adjusted funds from operations to between $2,360 million and $2,370 million.
Amazon's stock jumped 4.2% after hours due to a strong earnings report. The company surpassed expectations with $17.4 billion in operating income and forecasted holiday quarter revenue between $181.5 billion and $188.5 billion. North American sales grew by 9%, while international sales went up by 12%.
Waymo, an autonomous vehicle startup under Google's parent company, is valued at over $45 billion after securing $5.6 billion in new funding. Investors include Alphabet, Andreessen Horowitz, and Fidelity. Waymo One offers 150,000 paid trips weekly and covers over 1 million autonomous miles.
Supermicro shares dropped 14% on Thursday, wiping out 2024 gains due to negative news and the resignation of auditor Ernst & Young. Concerns about its direct liquid cooling systems and a Department of Justice investigation contribute to uncertainties. Analysts recommend caution despite partnerships with NVIDIA, Advanced Micro Devices, and Intel.
Supermicro stock dropped more than 33% after its auditor, Ernst & Young, resigned over concerns about financial statements and board independence. Shares have decreased 73% since their peak in March. The company is under pressure to resolve governance issues or face the risk of delisting, similar to SunPower and Tingo Group.
Intel's shares increased by 10% following better-than-expected third-quarter results and restructuring progress. Despite a loss of 46 cents per share, revenue reached $13.28 billion, exceeding forecasts. For the fourth quarter, Intel targets revenue between $13.3 billion and $14.3 billion, with adjusted earnings of 12 cents per share expected.
Carvana's online car sales model is thriving, with shares reaching record highs for 5 days. In the third quarter, the company sold 34% more cars, increasing revenue by 32% and profits to 64 cents per share. Despite industry challenges, Carvana anticipates strong fourth-quarter results and plans to increase advertising spending. However, analysts caution about potential overvaluation risks as shares have surged 177% in 6 months. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights that matter to your business journey. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.